All right, so a quick how-to video here. I seen a little bit about this last year when I had a 60 Bonneville wagon. I've had this car for a while, but it hasn't been an issue until now. How do you get this top piece of trim off? Well, the factory in their infinite wisdom thought it was a good idea to have studs to hold it down. Okay, that's fine. The problem with that is it's under a non-removable headliner panel. So you have to destroy a perfectly good headliner to get to these studs. I've already taken one out. It's usually a 5/16 nut driver is what you'll need. There's one coming through there. There's one there. So that means there's 3 more across the other side. And then here's the nuts that hold them on. So what do you do about this? Well, on this particular car, I'm not real crazy about this silver glitter headliner in a red interior and a white car. It just really doesn't. Factory come that way, but I'm just not really all that crazy about it. For whatever reason, they don't offer a red or a white glittery design. So I'm probably going to come up with something else. Either some type of other type of headliner from some other car. I like the material, the red or white or something. Maybe two-tone, who knows? Something that matches the 59 seat covers. But this is not a good idea. So what I read online here last year was that later 60 models, or some of the 60 models, they started putting clips for this piece. So whatever I have to engineer to make this trim not be used with studs, I don't care if I have to glue it on, because you still have a screw here on each side. I don't care if I have to use 3M two-sided tape. It's not going back on like this, because if you get a busted windshield, you're out of luck, because you have to take the headliner down again, destroy the headliner. So you're looking at a headliner replacement along with a windshield replacement. Not smart. So we're going to correct this on this car. But anyway, if you're scratching your head, why won't this piece of trim come off? Well, that's why. You got 2 screws here that's under all this stuff. See, all this was hid under all this. So you got to take all that off. You got to pull your headliner trim down. You got to pull your sun visors out. And there you go. So anyway, I hope this video helps how to get that off. And remember, convert this over to the clip style like the Monte Carlos and the later 60s. This trim has a lip on it, so I don't think adapting even any other type of clip should be a problem. Come up with something. Don't do this, or you're looking at a $1,500 windshield job versus a $500 windshield job. So hope that helps. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. We'll see you next time.